playlist. I have 77 videos in one
Playlist.
playlist.
So only that playlist for the group.
Just
Independent,
grouping
that
of the
means.
videos. It has nothing to do. It is not going to affect anything in any ways to the videos.
Hmm. So
Okay.
each playlist has a look like that. A playlist. Each category one playlist. Each category one playlist. Cannot connect them.
Pardon?
Cannot connect from one playlist to another. Cannot. Independent,
You
you're
can
saying.
put suppose like only see any topic you take, any subject you take, you have subcategories of that particular subject, and then again there are several breakups or subjects for that particular subcategory also. So you will make certain videos for on that micro topics which are categorized into those subcategory of your main subject.
So your subcategory is a playlist.
Show you by drawing. Let me
Yeah, yeah,
take
yeah.
a
Easier to
pen
see.
and paper. I'll show you.
Sounds like raining somewhere.
Okay, we have whiteboard into this. I think Dr. Ram, allow me share screen sharing. No?
Raining is my area is raining, heavily raining.
Oh,
I'll
no
mute it,
wonder.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, no wonder.
For example, this is my channel Abha Jadhav. Okay. Below that, I have made three categories, 4, 5 categories, subcategories under which I create my program, like Spotlight with Abha. Then I have parenting. Then I have world records, and then my live sessions. Now, whichever episode I'll make for Spotlight with Abha, it will go in the Spotlight with Abha playlist. Okay. So here again, there are n number of videos. So 1 to 77 videos I have like in Spotlight with Abha, for example. Similarly, in parenting, I have 1 to 45 videos. Okay. And in world record, I have 7 videos. Then in live session also, I think I have done 15 live session or something like that. Okay. So it depends. And they are categorized. So if you visit on my channel and you're not interested in watching others and you're only interested in watching parenting, so you'll click to parenting playlist. So all videos of parenting will start playing. You'll not get
Including,
any other video then.
including the subcategories. Is it?
No, if you click on playlist of parenting, you will get all the videos of parenting. Okay, so if you go in playlist, so these categories will come. Okay, on I'll show you on channel also, see how it goes. I'll share new share how it looks on channel, that I'll show you so you will understand better. Mhm. So this is my channel. Okay. Now you
Mhm.
can see various options: home, videos, playlist. So if you click on videos, all videos together will be displaying. Fine. So if I click on videos,
Yeah, all this one all.
all
show.
videos will come. Okay. But
Mm.
if I click on playlists, so all videos will come in category form. Okay, like light videos, then world records, then spotlight with Abha. Okay,
Oh, okay, just choose
then
one
my
playlist.
interviews, then testimonials, parenting, my daily assignment. Some playlist I have hidden, like my daily assignments, that you cannot open. That it is my channel,
Oh,
that's why I am able
private.
to see it. But if you will click, you will not be able to see those playlists. Okay, my daily assignment is private playlist. So that
Mm.
will be viewed only by me and not by the public. Okay, but suppose if you click on spotlight with Abha, so it will, what it asks, play on. So if anyone clicks on a playlist, all the videos will be playing automatically one after another. Okay. If I click on parenting, so all videos related to parenting, they are here in this playlist, and they will be played. They are going to get played one after another automatically once if I click on play all.
So what if you have subcategories of parenting? It's also in
The
this loop. is it?
subcategory of parenting is what? My different videos on different topics.
So
I know.
different playlists.
Yeah. In one subcategory is like, do you fight in front of your children? Then 7 tips to support your child during exam. Don't give vehicle to your child. Then 5 easy ways to master your child's brain. All these are my subcategories of main topic, that is parenting.
Oh, you call this subcategory. Okay, okay.
But what mistake I did when I started my YouTube channel, I was not knowing that I should be focusing on only one thing. And that's why I have so many topics on my channel. But when you are starting your channel with public speaking, means you are focused on one topic. So your subcategories will be like public speaking, like communication, then body language, and then there are many other topics which will cover, which are broad categories under public speaking. Then communication then you will have different categories: verbal communication, non-verbal communication, and all such kind of categories. So you will be making videos on verbal communication, non-verbal communication, how to speak or how to introduce, all those kind of things will come. Okay, I hope I made my point clear. So let's begin today's session.
Okay.
Today's session is a simple session, no rocket science, all simple learnings, but yes, it is going to help you in increasing the visibility of your videos.
Sorry, I have one question.
Yes.
See, in your channel, you have put, right, YouTuber 2020 and all that. That one you did a separate slide using PowerPoint or Canva, something.
No, yes, I made it. I made it by using Canva.
Canva.
So in Canva, you type channel art. So there you can create such channel art banners. Okay, you'll get many designs, also suggested designs, and you can also create your own design.
Okay.
So initially,
Then you
I
upload it.
help. Yes, then I have to just upload on that.
Okay.
We cannot directly create a channel banner over there on YouTube. We have to create it somewhere else, and then only we can post it over there.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, it has a different size.
Okay.
Okay, so welcome to day 3 program. So today we will be learning how to add languages, description, and customize our channel URL. Then how we can add our social media links to YouTube, and then how we can monetize our channel, and how we can increase visibility of our videos, and how we will promote our videos so that we can get more views. So we'll just first of all, we'll go through these slides and then I'll take you to my channel. Okay, so when we have to write channel description, language, and customizing our channel URL, this is the flow where how you will be going to your YouTube channel. So first open your YouTube channel, click on to customize channel. Then customize channel, you will get three options: layout, then branding and basic info. So you have to click on basic info. From there we'll take channel description, and below that there is add language option, and below that there is a customized channel URL. Okay, so everything is there in basic info. So we'll straight away go to our channel. And directly on YouTube Studio also, you can just go and click to customization on the left hand side menu. Okay, it will take you to the channel customization page. Go to basic info. And here, now here I've already shown you that if we wish to change our channel name, we can click on this pen button and we can edit our channel's name also. But now we have to describe our channel. What is our channel all about? Okay, the person who is visiting our channel for the first time, so they will be clicking on the about section that where the basic information is been written about our channel. So all the things. Just a minute, ma'am, I have to take this call because it's important. Yes, Emma, hello.
Channel description.
I'm so sorry because actually the call is from school and exam submissions are going on. So parents are calling, so I have to take that call. Okay. So here we will be writing about our channel. So these three programs are mainly highlighted on my channel. That's why I'm writing only Spotlight with Abha, parenting and conversation, they'll say. Now suppose if you are focusing only on one subject, you have to write only that thing. your channel name or your channel topic, and then you have to explain something about yourself, who you are. Okay, first 2-3 lines about yourself, and then what is your channel all about. So you can find videos related to parenting tips, Spotlight with Abha, and all these things. I have to still structure this because I have done this long back. उसके बाद से मैंने इसको छेड़ा ही नहीं है. So I have to again repost a nice version of an introduction about myself. So that I will be doing soon.
But when you're putting about yourself, you're addressing yourself as she is.
Is what I'm telling. ये बहुत पहले जमाने
अच्छा,
का.
okay. So
it's a
we
long
don't need-
back I have done.
Okay.
Okay, so I have to put this. I always forget to edit this part, so I have to restructure this. Already I have उसका ready है मेरे पास content, but I'm not editing it. Today I'll be doing it. Okay. Actually, that introduction, this is the part of introduction which I have put for my book. So in book, someone else has written for me, so I straight away copied from there to here. तो उसके बाद से मैंने वो edit ही नहीं किया. Book लिख के भी, it's almost 1 year. So after that, I have not edited this. So we'll do that soon. So this is, you have to update. I have to update, of course. So here at the bottom, you must write your phone number and email ID. Suppose if any person wants to connect to you, where that person will connect you. So mention your email ID and phone number, and if you have website, please do write over here. Okay. Now, then comes below description box. When you'll open your channel, as you have not done anything right now over there, it will be asking add language. Okay, I've already added these languages. That's why after that it is showing add language. But right now you have not added anything. So it will straight away here, it will be showing add language. So what does that mean? Means, for example, my channel is mainly watched by people who belong to these language groups. Okay. So I have added those language to my channel so that if they don't understand English, they can translate the content into their language. Okay, so I'll click on add language. Now this is what description and everything is appearing currently on my channel. If someone else want to see in some other language, for example, okay, we'll write Tamil. Okay.
They have to select lah.
Yes, we have to select the language, Spotlight with Abha. And then this whole description I'll copy. Control C, Control V. So done. So now if you'll any person who wants to see in all these things in Tamil, so they will click on translate, or wahan pe wo language option they will get, and they will be able to see that description in their language. But that language should be added by me over here. If I wish to, if I have my audiences in those areas.
So this add language is only for this basic info tab.
This is making like our audience comfortable, that if they don't understand English, so if they wish to translate it in Hindi, they can translate in Hindi, they can translate in Gujarati, they can translate in Marathi, and they can understand what has been written. Anyone who doesn't know or doesn't understand English, at least these are the options I have given them. French I have just added in last section for demonstration.
Yeah, specifically only for this section, basic info.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Then comes channel URL. So the first link you are seeing over here, this link is default link of our YouTube channel. So first link is the default YouTube link, which has been given by YouTube to my channel. I cannot change this. Okay, I cannot change this link. But still, I want to give a new look to my link. So YouTube is giving us that facility by by giving us feature of customizing URL. नहीं हो रहा है. It is coming again and again.
So we can type our own name, or this is given?
Yes, I have written Abha Jadhav.
Yeah.
After /C/ and your channel name will come, and then you can write what you wish to write. Okay.
C is for what? Let's see.
That is till C is youtube.com channel. That is by default from given by YouTube.
Okay.
And after Abha Jadhav is my channel name. So after my channel name, whatever I want to add, I can add.
With this, we have to write the whole thing ourselves.
No.
The second link.
It only this much. I cannot edit right now, so I cannot show you. That is the problem. I have to delete only.
Okay. No, will it be empty?
Only
Initially
last
for us, will
part,
it be empty?
dream big to achieve big. Only that part I can edit. So when it will ask you to customize, only last some words after channel name only you can add.
Okay.
So till channel name, YouTube will present its link. Okay. Like https www.youtube.com/c/my channel name Abha Jadhav, and then I have to add what I wish to add. So at that time, it was just a new channel, just for fun's sake. I added dream big to achieve big. But now I'm not able to edit again. Either I have to delete it or again re-add. वो कुछ मुझे try करना पड़ेगा. But I have deleted once, but after that it didn't come again.
If you have a choice, what would you put? Just channel name.
No, but another easy way I'll show you to remember your channel link. Easiest.
I mean, if you can correct now, amend, what would you put? Just the channel name? Abha.
No, I'm telling you the easiest way. No need of going into this. Even if you have created now, this is, I cannot change. Okay, suppose, and it is too long to remember.
Yeah.
Okay, and people don't have time to type that much long URL. So what I have done, I've copied this URL.
Bit.ly.
Okay, original link, copied, and then I went to link shortener. Link shortener. Can you see my screen? So link shortener for free. Then I have taken Bit.ly. I've already shortened it. So again, I will not shorten. So here it is. All the links I have already shortened. So when you will open your this for the first time, it will ask you shorten your link for free. Okay, I've already created so many links now from here. So that's why it's showing here. So I'll be clicking on here, create. So it will show on this side, enter long URL. So I'm adding it here, create. So again here Bit.ly is giving me opportunity to change my link. So I have kept it as it is bit.ly/Abha Jadhav. So my link is https://bit.ly/Abha Jadhav. So easy to remember. Okay, so suppose.
Yeah, I have a question. I use this tiny URL,
Same.
What happened then?
But I don't think we are getting the link like this.
We'll get. Maybe for the first time it may not give because I'm frequently using Bit.ly. So now it has given me this, special privilege to shorten my link, to customize my link.
For all the link, it's only Abha Jadhav, is it?
Yes.
But behind the topics are always different, right? So every time we have to see you are in the basic info, right? So Abha Jadhav is the basic info, but behind your right now I'm looking at dream, bingo, achieve big. So that always change, right, based on the topics.
No. That is like YouTube has given us a facility to customize our main channel link. अभी ये किसको याद रहेगा? सी यू क्लूएंट एफ जी आई वाई वाई बी यू 4 H U Z M V W F G, ये तो किसी को याद नहीं रहेगा. Nobody will be able
Right.
to remember this. So at least I remember, if I remember this much, this can still be rememberable thing. Okay,
So in
Abha
case
Jadhav
if
dream
you
big
want
to
to
achieve.
show, if you want to like tell somebody this is my link, that way, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
and again I have shown you a shorter way. You can take the link to Bitly or any such link shortener. You can shorten your link, memorize it, and you can present it in in a fraction of seconds. Like if somebody now asks me what is your YouTube channel link, so I have not to go to channel and copy every time. I remember it: https semicolon forward slashes bit.ly/Abha Jadhav. That's it.
Yeah, so can we just keep it as Abha Jadhav and the rest behind don't need to key in?
We cannot cut it.
No, no, I'm talking about the custom URL, the one you
That
added
is
in this
also
word.
your choice. This is I have tried long back and I'm
Okay,
not
okay,
able
okay,
to edit
okay.
it now. That is my bad luck. So it is created. Once you have edited it, it's not again. It's allowing me to edit it.
So
That
we
is
can
the
just
issue.
use the channel name lah, huh?
Yeah. You can simply keep Abha Jadhav or your Nalini Natwa
Okay,
Lal or
okay.
whatever your channel name.
Yeah, okay.
Simply that also you can put. I have just tried it once and after that I got stuck over there and now I'm not able to do it. Okay. So that is the time when I actually did not started my YouTube channel in a proper way. This was all just, I was just looking at the things and I was just trying kya hai, and it was all trial and error system was happening at that time. Okay. Then now we will add social media links to our channel. Now see this my channel. अभी इसमें यहाँ parenting शुरू हो गया. Now see my channel art, channel banner. Can you see all the social media links on the right hand side on my banner?
How do you do
So
that?
YouTube is giving you this feature of adding your all social medias with your YouTube, so that anyone who is very new and that person is visiting your YouTube channel for the first time, and if that person wants you to wants to connect with you on the other social media platform also, they can click directly from here and they can reach to you on this social media platforms. I have put my Facebook ID, I have put LinkedIn ID, my website, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, all IDs are here. But the moment you'll click on this, you will straight away go to my that social media page. Okay, so that we will be doing it here right now. So in links, add links, it will come ask you add links for the first time. Okay. So I have added my various social media platforms. And then you have only option of posting maximum 5 links on your YouTube banner. So links on banner. So 1 link, 2 link, 3 link. I have chosen first 5 links. I have posted 5 links. I have chosen to publish all 5 links on my channel banner. So all 5 icons are appearing on my channel banner. Okay, so anyone who wish to connect me on any of the social media platform, they can connect me. And then my website is also there. So if anyone wants to go to my website, they can straight away go to my website also. This last is abhajadhav.com is my website. Okay. And then below that, there is a contact info where you can write your email ID on which YouTube will send you the communication mails. Okay, whatever they YouTube has to communicate to you, Suppose if you have completed your 1000 views, or you have completed some 1000 subscribers, or any new thing or new update is there, so YouTube communicates to us time to time. Okay. So for example, I've completed my 70,000 views. So I got a congratulations mail from YouTube. The congratulations, your channel has completed 70,000 views on your YouTube channel. Okay, like that. Or any new update is there, so they will update that now YouTube channel is updating the text system. So you have to go to your YouTube channel, go to studio and update your text information. So whatever changes you make, after that you have to click on publish.
What do you mean by tax information?
There are taxes on views from US.
Oh, okay.
So we have to fill that form. It comes specially after monetization. So we have to fill that form. If we don't fill the form, so we have to, YouTube will charge more taxes. It will cut more amount from our earnings. So we have filled that form, and whichever views will come from US, we have to pay tax on that.
Oh, so we have to pay tax. Do we need to pay tax?
Yes, that will be straight away cut from our earnings on YouTube after monetization. No, before monetization, it won't come. So my channel is already monetized. That's why that tax thing has come to me. I have to add my PAN card number. I have to add my address. I have to link my bank account where they will send me money then. Okay. Let us go to PPT back. Social media handles, how we will link, that I have already shown you. Okay, now how to monetize your channel. So very first condition, you should have 1000 subscribers on your YouTube channel and 4000 watch time hours in last 12 months or 365 days, counting it from today. So if today is 10th October, so from 10th October going 365 days in reverse, in those 365 days, your channel must complete 4000 of watch time hours. And the best thing to cover this is you should make a little big videos, at least 10 to 15 minutes video, so that more and more, if people are watching, you get more and more watch time hours. अगर आप 2-2 मिनट का वीडियो बनाओगे, so it will take a long time to cover those 4000 watch time hours. Are you able to understand? Now my all the programs, if you see my most of the videos, apart from this parenting video, all my Spotlight with Abha are mainly 30 to 40 minute episodes. So only if I play 70 episodes of my Spotlight with Abha, if somebody is playing, and on an average, one episode is of 30 minutes, so 7 3s are 210 minutes ka program, wo सीधा 2100 minutes are added to my channel. Are you able to understand? So more people will watch, that much hours will be added to our channel. So big videos have that benefit for us, that they help us to cover our watch time hours quickly. For example, Rakesh ji, if I say, he is creating videos not larger than 8 to 10 minutes से ज़्यादा वो लंबा वीडियो नहीं बनाते हैं. And he has only 45 or 50 videos on his channel. Now the bad luck is that now he has crossed 12 months from where he started his channel.
Oh,
Now the drawback is that whichever video he has created before 12 months, those views will go in waste.
Oh.
after that also, right?
So you have to keep adding.
So every
And
year,
that's why more
it
videos
goes
are
away.
required on your channel.
Every year it will go off the number of.
Oh, not
Previous,
constant.
see, no. Not every year. We have to finish in any of the 1 year. We
Yeah.
have to finish this 4,000 watch time hours.
Let's say this year I don't have 1,000.
My channel, I'm giving you example, Lois. My channel was created in 2017. Okay. But I started working on my channel since May 2020.
Oh,
Okay. So if I do not finish these 4,000 watch time hours before May 2021, and the time I cross that May 2021, so whichever views I have got in May 2020, those views will be wasted because the 12 months is counted from today.
Okay, I understand that. Now my question is, if you have already got that 4,000 watch time hours, okay, so 1 year is gone. You have touched that criteria, you know. So the following year they will still remove this, clear it, and then you have to start
उसके
again.
बाद जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगा ना. After that, it's not needed. It's
Yeah, you
only
already
for the
qualified.
time you qualify the monetization.
Oh, okay, for monetization, this is the first
For
criteria. Okay, okay.
monetization, it is needed. After that,
Acha, acha.
all the views will be counted together. Now, if you see my channel, it shows 74,000 views. Okay.
Subscribers and watch time is the number of hours people are watching, and that
Yes.
1,000 subscribers, is it equal to the likes?
No, likes has nothing to do with this.
This is when they click that button, that subscribe button.
Yes.
Okay.
So for
And
example,
always
I have,
remember that your subscribers are not your viewers.
so for example, I have
Not
one-
necessary that, just a minute, it's not necessary that those subscribers will watch your each and every video.
Okay.
So you have to share it more and more to people so that your videos can be watched more and more, so that you can cover those 4,000 watch time hours. And that's why we say post more and more videos on your channel.
So for
More
example,
videos. Yes,
May I
please.
ask?
Yeah.
For the first year, I don't have 4,000 watch time. Maybe I have only 3,000. So for the another year, I have to start all over again.
Yeah, that's what she's saying. Correct.
Oh,
Means depending on that, when that year starts. So the previous video, when you have just suppose that is what I've said. For example, you have posted your first video in October 2021, 2020. Okay,
my last video.
that's first video. I'm telling about first
Yeah,
video.
okay, first video.
Okay, first video you have posted in October 2020, and it has got 400 views. Okay, that video was of 10 minutes. So 400 into 10, how many minutes? 4,000 minutes.
Yeah.
Divide by 60, how many hours? Almost कितना हो जाएगा 4,000 divided by 60? Almost 30 hours.
Yeah.
Approximately.
Approximately.
Yeah, 30 hours. Okay. Now, if you cover those 4,000 watch time hours before October 2021, 10th October 2021, means suppose you have posted your first video on 10th October 2020 and today is October 2021, 10th October 2021. So your 1 year is finishing today. And before that, if you have not reached to 4,000 hours, the moment you will cross 10th October 2021, your that 400 views or 4,000 minutes will go in waste. It will not help you to increase your watch time hours and monetization. Once you have crossed your monetization, those views will be counted.
What I mean is which date to start, you choose a date to start, is it?
So we should finish it in our monetization as early as possible.
Can I start in September instead of October?
Any month you can start, but I'm just giving an example. If you have started today, So by next year, before this time, you have to finish your this 4,000 watch time hours.
My first video lah. Let's say from my first video.
So from your first video to note down that date.
Yeah.
That is your deadline in next year.
Okay, first video lah.
Yes, you have, suppose you have made your first video and posted on YouTube on last week, I think you did. So last week was which date? 9th of which 3rd October was there, for example. So you started your YouTube channel on 3rd October. So your deadline is 3rd October 2022.
So it's always the third. 1 year.
And one more thing, see, when you showed your channel, it shows there are 74,000 views. But like that, it doesn't show in our channel. Will it show only when we cross the 70,000 or some numbers?
Whichever number you cross, the views will be shown over there.
No, but it's not showing in the main head where you showed, right, 74,000.
Wait, I'll just take you to my channel.
Go.
Okay, so right now this is monthly report. In last 28 days, my channel has got 4,351 views. So right now only monetization section is not there on your channel. Otherwise you can see views, watch time hours and subscribers. These 3 columns are available on your analytics.
Yeah, but in yours it showed 76,000 something.
So that is how, now here instead of 28 days, I'll just choose lifetime.
Okay,
Means the moment
got it.
from my channel has got started. So
Okay,
from
got
that time till date, I have got these many views.
Okay.
Got it? This is my overall report. And
Views.
for last 28 days, I have got these many views. Okay. Let's come back to our PPT. And once you reach to this monetization qualification, so you have to keep on checking your monetization section every week or 15 days, that whether you have reached to that level or not. So you have to go in monetization section. There you have to check those 2 speedo bars, that how subscribers, you can still see number of subscribers. To see watch time hours, you have to go to monetization section and you have to check that speedo bar, how much hours it has crossed. So that much watch time hours are shown over there, that how many are completed. Okay. So once that complete speedometer turns blue, it will come as you are qualified, you are now ready to apply for monetization. Apply now, it will say. It will say apply now for YouTube partnership program. Recently, my niece got it. 3 days back, she called me that, Bua, I have completed my 4,000 of watch time hours and now I have to do monetization. Please guide me. So she called me and I said, okay, monetization section mein jao, and there you click on apply for this. And then there's certain procedure. You have to just fill all those information. And then you are completing, or once you are done with the process, it will take a week's time or 15 days also, depending on the traffic YouTube is having with them. Then they reply on mail that congratulations, now you are qualified for YouTube partnership program. That is, you are qualified for monetization.
Just
Yes.
one question. When you have the views that you are referring to is only for that particular video, or under you, whatever the total views for different videos, they will add up?
All videos are total together.
But normally certain videos the views are less and certain
It is dependent. Doesn't matter. Total should be of your 4,000 watch time hours. Doesn't matter which video has how many views. Now one of my video is having 11,000 views.
Okay.
Another
that
is
will be
having
added.
5,000 views. Another is having 8,000 views.
So total watch time for all the videos will be added together.
Views will not be counted.
Okay.
Minutes will be counted.
The watch time.
How much time your video has been watched. Now views are, my niece is having almost 2,000 views on each of her video. Still able to get that 4,000 watch time hour. She took a little time to get that watch time hour. So it may be possible people are viewing your channel, but they might be watching it for 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Yeah.
So that's why you must have heard all the YouTubers saying that video ko end tak zarur dekhna. Keep watching video till the end. Why? Because the whole video time, that more and more time the person is watching your video, that much minute is added to your channel. You can see it is showing 12,000 watch time hours on my channel. It is showing views, but at the same time, it is also showing watch time hours. So till now, my channel has crossed 12,000 watch time hours. Okay.
It depends. This is only for one channel. If you are having 2-3 channels, that is individual channel, right?
Alag alag aega. Nobody,
Aega, okay,
not
okay,
2-3 channel will be counted together.
Okay.
More channels, more headache. So keep one channel, focus on one channel first. Okay, otherwise your subscribers will divide to, get divided to different channels. You will not be able to see kitne logon ko, how will you say all the one person to subscribe your 4 channels? Nobody will do it. Okay, so you start slowly. First focus on one channel, get it monetized, get it popularized. Once people start knowing you, then you gradually start your another channel. Okay.
But views and watch hours is different.
Yes. Views are the clicks. People click on your video and they reach to your video and they watch, they just click and they reach to your video. And if they are watching that video for minimum of 3 minutes, then that view is counted. Click is not counted.
Less than how many minutes not counted?
So any video you share, at least ask them ki kam se kam 4-5 minute to dekhna mera video.
What's that?
That comes, you have to watch at least for 3 to 5 minutes. Watch my video. You have to request the person that please watch it completely. And if you are not able, you don't have time to listen it complete, at least keep on mute, but let it play fully. Got my point? Even I watch my own videos for first time because that view is counted. First view or by me is counted on my channel. One view is counted of mine. So even I also watch my whole video completely. No doubt. It also allows us to review our video, how it is looking over there. But still we can watch our own video for at least once or twice. So one view can be counted on from our channel also. Got it? So one on laptop, one on mobile. Mobile mein aapka koi aur, if you have any other email ID on your mobile, so from there you can log into someone else's email ID and then watch from there.
What is the number 3 when you say it takes few week to
Yes,
15
it takes a few weeks to 15 days to get qualified for your YouTube partnership program. Means if you have completed those 4-step processes, you have made all the entries, your name, your address, whatever detail YouTube is asking to go for monetization process, then it takes some days or a week to, get a mail from YouTube saying that congratulations, you have qualified the qualified for YouTube partnership program. Okay, and after that, They will guide us how to go and handle our channel. And after that, we'll get that dollar signed column added to our analytics section. And then we have to go to each and every video, and we have to on the monetization part of that, but for that particular video. I'll show you how. I'll go to content. So you can see this monetization dollar sign is, this column is there in my channel. So once your channel is qualified for monetization, this monetization column is added to your content section. And then for each and every video, you have to select monetization on or off. Okay. So for every video, you have to switch it on. And while uploading new video also, I have to make sure that I make it on. Otherwise, if I don't do it, then no advertise will come on that video, and that video will not be qualified for monetization. Okay. Yeah.
So each time you are adding, let's say you are approved for monetization, and then later if you have other videos, you have to make sure that that video also get 4,000 hours watch.
Not needed.
Not
Once my
needed.
channel is monetized, then I have not to bother there for watch time hours then.
No, but what if that views after that drop, or the subscribers drop, or anything? Are they going to demonetize it?
No. But
Or
why
the
to
number
get,
of hours is, let's say, not for what 4,000, but it is less. So they will just pay based on that 4,000 hours, or less than 4,000 hours.
before that it will not make you qualify only, na?
No, I'm not talking about before that.
Views will never get dropped. Views will never get dropped. How views can, once somebody has watched it, how it will get dropped?
No, because you say they will take it off right after after 1 year.
They will not take it off. The counting, it will not be counted in your total watch time hours. Views are going to be there.
Okay.
For example, this last video is watched for 83 views. Okay. Now it has been published right now. Now next year, 5th October 2021, if I don't qualify for monetization, so the moment I cross 5th October and I reach to 6th October, this 83 views will go in waste, means this number will not be counted in my total hours.
Okay.
So for this 83 views, if they have watched it for 5 minutes, so 83 into 5 minutes, whatever number will come, that much minutes will be not, will go in waste. They will not be counted in my watch time hours. It is not going to get removed from my channel. It will be there, but it will not be counted in my 4,000 watch time hours. So we should always try to complete in 1 year. And Rakesh,
this monetization column will be inserted by YouTube, right? It will be included by them only once we sign up the partnership.
This channel will appear by itself, and then we have to do on for every video. So once it came, then it was like came as off. Okay, it came like this. I'll show you. It came like this. Okay, off tha sabne. It was off for every video. The moment my channel got monetized, I went here and I switched monetization on for each of my 129 videos. So for every video, you have to switch on the monetization. And now whichever video you will publish, it will give you permission, and it will ask you for the permission that whether you want this video to be monetized or not. So you have to switch on again monetization for every video you publish. Okay. I hope it's clear.
So let's say if we take one new video, okay, and you put the monetization, yes. So and there are other the previous videos still the watch time is going on. It will keep adding to the total watch time, right?
Huh.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see.
See, once your channel is monetized, then watch time hours का उतना tension नहीं लेना. You have to worry till your channel gets that 4,000 watch time hours. Once it is monetized, after that you are not bother about it. How many watch time hours are there? Okay, but yes, we should be. If we are really interested in taking on our YouTube channel, so once it is monetized, means so many efforts we have put to get it monetized, then we will not let it go like that. No, we'll keep adding videos to it. We'll keep putting our efforts to take it ahead. And the main thing is that until and unless you finish $100 earning on your YouTube channel, you don't receive money in your account.
Oh.
Under
Right
what?
now, I got those $100 for my YouTube channel. So till now, that amount is visible only in on my channel, but I have not received it yet.
You're talking 100 USD, right?
Okay, so once you are qualified for monetization, you should read all the guidelines they are giving at that time before you apply for monetization. What all things are monetized, what all not. Because if you have any copyrighted video on your channel, then that channel will not, that particular video, however number of views you receive on that particular video, that video is not qualified for monetization if it has any copyright strike. Okay, and then you say कि अरे मेरे video को तो I'm not getting monetized, and why this video is not getting money or dollar signs over here. So it is because of that copyright thing. So before you apply, read all the guidelines, all the what we say terms and conditions they mention in monetization. Okay? And I have just told you that YouTube has levied taxes on views from US. And another update is that now onwards, YouTube is putting advertisements on non-monetized channel also. But whatever earning they are receiving from those advertisements, these earnings are straight away going to YouTube, and you are not receiving anything. Okay?
How is that? You mean if my channel is not monetized, then they can advertise?
On your channel, on your videos, but you will not get money for it because you have not qualified the conditions. But now YouTube is putting advertisements in all the channels, monetized or non-monetized.
That's not
The only
fair.
difference is the earning is not coming to you. That's it.
Can I say I opt not for advertisement?
You can. I think no, but you don't have that option. You have to take that. You don't have. We have option to stop those advertisements because we have monetized our channel. You don't have that option.
Oh, so if I don't want to monetize, not eligible, but
Then you
advertisement will still come.
You have to take it. You have no option to say no.
Oh.
You have to take those advertisements.
But I see some channel is without advertisement at all.
They are in those channels. If they don't want advertisement to be published, like I have my channels, if I have right to stop those advertisements. No, if I click on off monetization instead of on.
Oh, so once you are eligible for monetize, you can opt out.
Yes, that right comes to us. Okay, so before you start your channel, ask yourself these 4 questions: that who is this channel for? Means who is your audience? For whom you are making this channel? Okay, who are the people going to watch your videos? It's like not in just you have got up from bed and you are making videos by thinking nothing. you have something in your mind that, okay, I'm going to create this video. So who all are those people who are going to watch this video? For example, if I'm making any video on some festival, so I know this video is for students, this video is for teachers or school people. So I know my audience. So first thing is know your audience. Who is your audience? Then whichever videos you are making, try to find out what problem your channel is going to solve for your audience. Why your audience should come on your channel. So what is there in your videos so that people should come to your channel? Okay, what solutions they are getting? What kind of problems you are solving? Like I'm giving information about various festivals. Okay, I'm sharing tips on parenting. So I'm giving parents a chance to improve their parenting, like that. Then how is this channel different from others? There are thousands of people who are making video on parenting. So what is different in your video? Okay, you have to find out how you can make your video different from others. What extra flair, what extra touch of that difference you can create in your videos, and people can come onto your channel. Why should anyone subscribe to your channel? Why they should subscribe to your channel? Why? So that these answers we should be knowing, because they will be getting some values from our channel. They will be learning some particular things from my channel, and that's why they should subscribe.
If they subscribe, they will get the updates from our channel, right?
Yes, and moreover, they will also get continuous notification if they press the bell icon. If they press the bell icon, so whenever I post any video on my channel, they will get notification on their YouTube channel saying that, okay, Abha Jadhav has posted a new video.
Yes, yes.
They watch. I am not to go there to each and every subscriber saying that, okay, I have posted some new video, please watch it. They get that notification and so they watch it.
So we have to mention in the video that why watch our channel, is it?
No. This is
No,
for
right.
us. This is for us. When we're starting our channel, these
Okay.
questions should be clear in our mind. We are starting a big journey, and our dream is to monetize. Then we should be having that long-term goal in our mind that we are going to monetize it. If your goal is not to monetize, you and simply want to do public service, you
Yeah.
can keep posting what you want.
Okay, so you see the 3 hours I told you, right? I had that two Zoom shows, right? The live virtual shows. So if that in that show, if there are some music, because people were singing, so that will affect the what you said, the copyright, is
If
it?
people are singing, so you may get a copyright strike. That melody of some particular song
Ah,
has been copied in your channel. So it will
okay.
give you a solution. Shall we mute it? So if that singing has nothing to do with what has been delivered in the session, you can get it mute after some time.
Okay.
If
Got
the
it.
singing of those people is not important, you can get it mute. क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Right.
What is important is what you are saying, what you are speaking. So
Right.
while editing, you can cut down those things.
Let's say I want to sing a song, so I must get the copyright for that song, is it?
It should not be exactly that melody. For a few seconds, it's okay.
How many
For few
seconds?
that we don't know because I haven't tried it.
Let's say
I
if
have
I want
sang
to
songs
sing,
on
I want to sing.
I remember I have sang songs on my conversation Dil Se sessions.
Hmm.
Okay, live session. I start with a song always, but I have never got copyright strike on that because I may not be exactly singing the way it is being sang.
Oh.
Maybe I don't know, but I have not got that copyright from anywhere.
Because
Let's-
there are one or two companies in Singapore which also had virtual shows, and I just attended virtually also. So they had the 3 hour shows, right, with that music, and singing on
Yeah, that
YouTube also.
composed by them own, by themselves only, no?
No, no, Balasubramaniam songs all, in his memory, every songs was there.
They might have that copyright strike, but if they have bought those copyright rights, sometime it happens that if they know that they have to play such songs and every now and then, so instead of facing that copyright thing, they buy those rights.
Okay.
They buy those rights.
Let's say if someone want to play,
Oh, you can buy
They
rights.
get-
So we buy rights from who?
from that particular person who
Right,
already
Alright, it is a song is coming
It's a legal
from
process.
Bollywood. So how to get whose rights?
I have not been into that mode
Okay,
because
okay.
it's all legal process and it takes a long thing. So it's better not to get into that.
Okay.
And it's all on large levels.
Right.
If you have nothing to do with that, why to get into that? Just for a
let's
few
say
minutes.
let's say my friend is very good at playing piano. So he play so many pieces, right? So he also must get rights.
That I have not ever, tried it. That anyone who is a musician and they are playing music, so will they get maybe for melody they may get.
Oh, so
They
they
are,
still have to get.
they are whichever song they are playing, they are they are taking the melody of that song. Okay, so for that they may get copyright. As I said, the Jana Gana Mana national anthem, which has been played in my video, school video, I got a copyright strike that you have taken melody of your national anthem. So depending on whether that particular song is copyrighted or not, that melody is copyrighted or not, you get or you may not get copyright strike.
Is there any way we can read
This
this
is- that is
terms and
only
conditions?
one
Like,
class for that is onto YouTube. So don't get into that. Try to avoid such situation. But till the time you post your 50 videos, don't bother about much. Don't think much. Just keep on posting your videos. Okay. So initially, it's all about how you develop yourself into that habit of posting videos. That is more important. For example, now I am into a habit of posting videos. So if during these days I'm just holding myself back to post videos, why? Because I have to do that 200th video episode on next Saturday. It has shifted to my birthday on 17th, 6:30 p.m. now. So for this week, entire week, since 2 weeks, I have not posted a video. Can you believe that? And I'm feeling so restless that I can't put a video. Why I can't put a
yeah,
video?
but then only thing that you are preparing the 200, but you are not posting it because it's like launch of 200 together.
Ready. My 5 videos are ready. Okay.
Oh,
My many videos are ready, but I cannot post it right now because I want to go for that event. So once that live event is there, after that I'll start posting those videos. Okay. It doesn't take time for me to record a video and post.
what
should
is
get-
what will be the issue if you just keep on posting the video before the event?
That particular event itself is a 200th video. So I'm celebrating my
Oh,
200th.
okay. You're celebrating, so you can't post 201. I got it.
That is what.
Got it. Okay.
So initially it was supposed to be today in the evening, but Rakesh ji is not feeling well and he is going to host that event. So I'm just sharing this secret with you. Otherwise, people will not be knowing that that fellow is going to join me in that session.
Who
Dr.
is
Ram,
Rakesh ji?
he is my co-host in some of my programs.
Okay.
And my buddy and my friend, my best friend, and Les, of course, he was a colleague of our training program. Dr. Ram knows very well. We all were together in a TTOT program. One training program was there. So say it is almost 1 year we are working together and we are like motivating each other for every now and then. Now we are best friends now. It's like that.
Okay, Ms. Abbasi, have posted many videos, okay? out of that videos, 2 or 3 are copyright. So will there be any problem later?
So those videos which are having copyright, they will not be counted for monetization.
That's
The view-
okay. That's
The
okay.
view, that is okay. Then if you have no problem, then let it be like that. No need to.
Yeah.
But just go and find out that if you haven't got any kind of what I say, any other warning from YouTube. So check emails, check again all the copyright section where if, whatever they are saying, just follow it. What is being said over there from this copyright thing. And then solution, if the solution given by YouTube is simple and it's not going to affect the visibility of video, then follow that solution and get out of that copyright strike.
Yeah,
Because
see, I checked what is the copyright issue. The issue is a few seconds. No, I have put a music around 20 seconds, and looks like that music is a copyright music. So if I'm going to remove that music, I think that part will be empty, isn't it?
okay, no, but that is you are saying no. Just go through that copyright section. Go there. Open that section where YouTube has given that copyright, that what is exactly the problem, it will be saying it, and solution will also be given by YouTube. If it says muted, so you don't have any other option. So because if you are saying that if you remove that music, that video will become meaningless. Yes. So
Okay.
if it is so, then I can't help it. But if continuous copyright strike coming on your YouTube channel, then soon it will be banned by YouTube.
Okay.
So better to get it resolved.
Okay, I'll do
You
that.
see that now that video is old and there's no harm in muting that particular few seconds apart. Then you just do it.
Yeah, okay. That video is around 5 to 6 months old, 4 to 5 months old.
No, but if 5-10 seconds music part, if you are muting it and then your video gets copyright free, then what is the harm in?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, once it gets copyright free, in that section, it will come as no copyright, right?
Yes,
Ah.
and all the views which have come on that particular video will be counted, and then all the watch time hours which has come through that particular video will be counted in your watch time hour.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, so that way, if your channel is not monetized, then you have to be careful about all these things, because every watch time matters, every minute matters.
Okay, thank you.
So how to increase now visibility of your video? So make sure that you put appropriate title and thumbnail to your video. It should not happen that you have written some other title in your thumbnail and in the main title which you are writing below that video is something else. So title in thumbnail and the title which appears with the video should match. Okay, it should not contradict each other.
Where is the thumbnail?
Thumbnail is the impression of your video, na?
The title.
Thumbnail is the, wait, I'll show you.
The first image.
These are the images which you are seeing, or these are thumbnails?
The main screen, like a main screen of the
Yes, this image which appears on the channel. So this video will appear like this only when you search for this video. Okay. So the title on this video and the title which we write here, below the video, should match.
Okay.
For example, this is the thumbnail. Okay. क्या आपका बच्चा घर पर पढ़ता नहीं है? Why is this is I have just एक parent का feeling किया है. But now this is the video title which I have used inside the video, but my thumbnail and this both are same. Which appeared was like it was into the video. Video के अंदर कुछ है, that is a different thing. But on my video, thumbnail and this title should be similar. Okay, so इस video का जो thumbnail होगा, it will be. Wait, I'll show you. See, ये है ना, see, can you see this image? बच्चों को घर पर कैसे पढ़ाएं, the title here and the title on my image,
Right.
they both are same.
Yeah.
Okay, in the video, while explaining those things, I'm creating those different titles. That is a different thing. Okay, but when it appears to people, the title on thumbnail and the title with the thumbnail should be same. I hope I'm clear.
Yeah. Very clear.
Fill the section of all the video details in YouTube Studio section. So whenever we are posting any new video, after that, you go to your YouTube Studio section from your laptop and fill all the sections like description, then keywords, then tags, and then playlist if it is there, then select no, it's not made for kids. All those things you completed, end screens as suggestion cards, all those things you have to complete. Put right keywords and tags. So it's not necessary that keywords and tags which you have used for one video will be will be working for the another video, because another video is having some other content in base. For example, I'm talking something about how to decrease the screen time of your child, a parenting video. Okay, so in this video I'm talking about the screen time of child. So first of all, the title itself will be one of the keywords. Then I'll be tagging parenting tips, effective parenting. These are the common keywords which I'll be using for all my parenting videos. But for that particular video, what will be the what are the other keywords, like screen time, how to reduce screen time, how to decrease screen time. Okay, do you want to reduce screen time of your child, like that? All these can be the keywords for that particular video, but these keywords will not be working for the another video which I'll be making on, like think before you give vehicle to your child. A screen time keywords will not work for this video. So again, you have to change some keywords. Rest, parenting, effective parenting, parenting tips. These are the common keywords. Okay. But apart from that, what other keywords will work for this video? So vehicles to your child. Don't give vehicles to your child. Think before you give vehicles to your child. Road safety. Traffic rules. Okay. These kind of keywords you can be used for this video. You have to think what content you have spoken about in particular video. Accordingly, keywords will be made. Yes.
Okay, just one question. YouTube itself, the application, when we download, we have to pay for it, right? It is not
No.
free.
It is free.
If I go into Google and I type YouTube, then it's free. But if I specially download the YouTube application, the app, it is not free. They are asking to pay. That's what I wanted to clear.
No, it is by default available on the phones. Laptop also, you directly open your youtube.com. I have not paid any single
I
penny.
didn't pay,
You
but
mean-
I have to go to Google each time I'm going to YouTube.
You mean premium, is it? Premium, they need to
Ah,
pay.
yeah.
Yeah,
need to
nowadays they
pay.
ask you
YouTube
premium.
Premium, then will be a pay. It is
So
a paid.
do we need to subscribe to that first before uploading
Not
the
need.
video?
I have not done it yet. I have not done it till now.
How
They keep
different
telling you
is
to pay.
pay? Yeah,
premium.
that's why.
What's the premium about?
Maybe you may get some extra features after paying those things.
Oh.
I have not tried it because
See,
I'm
for
not.
premium, no, you have some other benefits. Like
Yes, it must be
there will
in
not
the-
be any limitations. You'll be able to see all the videos.
Oh, no
Something like that.
advertisement. Yeah, without advertisement.
Yeah, something like that.
Wow.
But if we don't play the advertisement, how we will earn?
Yeah. How advertisement
But
will
do that.
cost?
But right now, no, they have some promotion, and for students, it's half the price, $6 or something per month.
And generally, it is for big YouTubers who are actually, playing in like 1 lakh subscribers and more than that, or like that. So once you reach that level and then you want to use those extra features, that is perfectly fine. Unnecessarily, I feel it's a waste of money then. And these people, they are there for 10 years, 8 years, 15 years on YouTube.
True.
And that's why they have got the purchased version of that Pro YouTube Premium. And so you can imagine how much patience it needs. There was a time even I got frustrated that nothing is happening. Why I am on YouTube? Why I am doing all these things? But it needs a lot of patience. All the big YouTubers, their channels have got many a times banned by YouTube. They have got several copyright strikes. They have started 3-4 times from scratch at that moment when there were not much features available on YouTube. So every big YouTuber has that story. And that's why today, after 10 years, 8 years, 15 years, they are successful. So if you feel that success will come easily to you, no, you have to keep a lot of patience. They have not earned it in, quick of a time.
So
Now
for you,
they are,
when did it start picking up? How long did it take to pick up? You were active only from 2020, right? May.
yes. But till I tell you, till 129th video, till I posted 100th video of mine, I was not aware that YouTube can be monetized. First thing. Then I was not aware of all this YouTube studio and anything. Then there was no one to guide me for YouTube at that time. So whatever I did, I learned it from my own things. I have researched, I've read many books on this. So, and then I decided that what I have gone through, I should not, let other new YouTubers go through it. So now if I have started another YouTube channel from the scratch, it comes out with a bang and it comes out with a very nice effect because now I know everything. You can see my channel that I shown you. If I don't know whether I have shown you or not, just relax. That is my another channel. Okay, music channel I have started for trial, that how it affects, that when I know everything and I start a YouTube channel, how it affects. So now you see those videos on my channel.
Which channel
Now
is that?
I see my video, I say, oh my god, this is done by me. It looks so professional. It looks so professional. The different videos I have used in it, the music I have used in it, the feeling I have tried to inculcate in those videos, it directly gives you, it touches to your heart and it gives you goosebumps sometimes. So sometimes I really feel, proud
Yeah,
of
what's
myself.
the name of the channel?
Just relax.
Oh, just relax.
Just relax. It's a like music channel. I've just tried to give some soothing music. I've made, I think, 5-6 videos on that.
You make your own music.
A lot of time, which I don't have time right now. So I've just made 5 videos. After that, I didn't do anything on that.
Original music?
That music I have, again, I'll show you how you will get those copyright-free music. Okay, so coming back to here, let me finish this and then I'll show you that also. So first hour is very important. Make your video reach to maximum people to get maximum views in first hours.
Why first hour important?
Why? Because the maximum people will watch your video and request all of them to watch full video.
Oh.
So YouTube gets an indication, okay, this new video is watched by many people and it is watched full. So it will start recommending to other people on YouTube's first homepage. It gives indication to YouTube that this video is liked by people and people are watching this video full. So YouTube starts recommending those videos itself to other people. Okay. Then publish your videos by scheduling them. So when you publish, do not directly go and make it public. There's just one more button with the name schedule below those public, unlisted, private, those things. There's one more button is there, schedule. So schedule your video for some particular time when you feel that this video can be watched by maximum people at that particular time. So choose that time. Suppose you feel that your maximum audience is free at 6 p.m. in the evening. So schedule that video after 24 hours from now. For example, I have to post one video, I'll schedule it for one day after. And in those 24 hours, what I'll do, I'll share the link with maximum people saying that I have scheduled this video for this particular time. So please do watch this video. It was already being shared to various people, number of people, and they will be waiting for your video at 6:30 p.m. at that particular time. So you have already set your audience. And as a result, you will get maximum views in your first hour of publishing your video. For example, I'm publishing one video today, okay? But if I publish it immediately, I'll make it public. So what will happen? This may not be a right time that my audience must be resting. And suppose if it is Sunday, they might be out somewhere. So they might not be watching. So it will be a struggle time for me to get maximum views in first hour. But at the same time, if I know that my maximum audience is available at 9 p.m. in the evening, so I'll schedule it for 9 p.m. and I'll share the link with everyone. Saying that, okay, this video is scheduled to get published at 9 p.m. Please be there to watch this video. So on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on wherever I have my other groups, I'll share that video. So at 9 p.m. people are all set. Okay, there's a video published by Abha. It's scheduled at 9 p.m. Let us sit and watch it. So there are more chances of watching it. So there are more chances to get that video watched completely by your audience in the first hour.
Roughly how many hours? How many people?
Depends on what's your group.
Mostly, Louis, mostly within first 2 days. First 2 days, mostly.
First, is there a criteria? How many watch time for YouTube to pick
Should
up?
be like maximum people should watch it completely. That matters a lot.
Oh,
How long your video has been watched. It will not only help you to get recommended by YouTube, but also it will add on more watch time to your watch time hours.
so if the
Also,
same,
whenever you share the videos to people, do tell them that please watch till the end, even if you are busy. So please keep it on and keep on mute, but watch it completely.
if the same person watch it 10 times,
Doesn't matter, but it should be watched at different times of gaps, but not by us.
yeah, many
Not
times.
for
Many
example, my
times.
video is watched by Nagu ma'am for 10 times, 20 times, but she's watching at different gaps.
It's
One
okay,
time
right?
right now, once she watched right now, and after 1 hour, 2 hour again she is watching, then that view is still counted.
Still counted, huh?
Yes, that view is counted then.
Oh, if my friend watched
By
today,
ourselves. We
tomorrow,
not watch our own video again and again, but if somebody else is watching after
Again and
certain
again.
gaps of time,
uh,
okay, then that view is counted, not back to back.
oh, once a week,
Keep
like
some
that.
gap between.
Okay.
You have to keep that gap between. So how to promote your videos? Yes, share on WhatsApp, share on Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups with your friends and family members. And on Facebook, I would suggest that whichever your topic is, join maximum groups on Facebook. For example, I post my videos on parenting. So go to Facebook in groups and find out groups on parenting. Okay, so I have got, I think 20, 50 groups on parenting. I have joined that. I have joined those parenting groups. And whenever I launch any video on parenting, I share those videos in those groups. So if I have joined 50 groups, if one person also watches from that group, so I got 50 views from that Facebook. Okay, so join such groups. You also see how other people are working on videos. You see, you learn how other people are making videos on that particular topic, and then you can improvise your own, and then you can come out with some innovative ideas, and you can again publish your videos and put on those groups. Okay, and people start knowing you. Initially, it may be possible that you may struggle to get views because people don't know you. So you have to create your identity. So how you will create your identity? By making more and more videos, posting it on a regular basis, so that your viewers should know that, okay, there's Nandini who has just coming up with her new videos every week. So they will start waiting for your video. Initially, you will struggle for views because people don't know you. Okay, so mind it very well. So initially it will be a challenging time because people don't know you. So you
Yeah,
have
I
to
have
create.
a question. Yeah, I have a question here. See, this Facebook group you told, right? Now, for example, my channel is Hiranya Medical Service, but I don't want to join the Facebook group from that FB account. Whereas I would like to join the same doctors and medical Facebook groups from another FB account. Should be
You
Arts of
can,
Singapore or Nagu something. It's possible, right?
you can, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Whichever ID, I have joined all the Facebook groups with my Facebook ID Active Abha.
Okay.
My Facebook ID is not like Abha Jadhav. It is Active Abha.
Okay.
Okay, it is Active Abha. Then share it with your friends and family members. They will also watch your videos completely. Okay, so if you have 10 people in your house, so 10 people means all if all are adults, so they must be having 10 phones at home. Yes, so ask them, nahi bhi chalana hai, to take everyone's phone and switch on your video on that, at least those, to get maximum views on their phones, or 10 laptops are there, switch on your video on their channel. I do that. I switch on my videos on my husband's laptop. Whether he has to watch or not, he has to keep it on mute and he has to do his work, but he has to switch on that video. Karna hi padega, no option. He is the one who always watches my video in the last. When he sees that, okay, I appreciate that, you need to see how people are appreciating it, you're not watching my video. And then he will go and, you have made a nice video. Then another thing to get maximum watch time hours is to go YouTube live. Okay, so YouTube live, you can go through many different ways. There's an option of going live from YouTube. That also you can use. Apart from that, you can also use StreamYard software. StreamYard, StreamYard. StreamYard.
But to go live, there's a criteria, right? Not everyone can go.
StreamYard.com is a software. If you download it, and you can go through the StreamYard.com. You can go live through this platform on three and more channels together, 3 and more platforms together. For example, if I do live, I'll be going live on YouTube, I'll be going live on Facebook, I'll be going live on LinkedIn all together.
But I think Zoom also allows that, in all the three.
And Zoom also, if you have a paid version, it allows you to go live on.
Yeah, correct. It allows you on all the.
You can go live only on YouTube, only on any one platform.
Okay.
Okay.
But YouTube live there's a criteria, right? I mean, new accounts, I don't think they allow you to go live.
All the paid versions have this facility.
YouTube live, I mean.
YouTube live, YouTube itself gives you live option of live, going live.
But
So
for
there,
new accounts, I don't think so.
there, it is there.
Not eligible. I tried.
You have to, have you got your channel verified with phone number?
Oh, must be verified with phone.
You have to get your channel verified on your phone number.
Hmm.
Okay. So that once you are done with that, so you are eligible to post videos larger than 15 minutes. Apart from that, you are eligible to go live on YouTube. So YouTube itself gives you an opportunity to go live from its own channel. So if you go on your YouTube studio, you will get an option of where you get upload video, create shots, and below that you have another option, go live.
But
So in
all
that,
this is only for live programs, right? You
Yeah,
can't do
yeah.
the pre-recorded ones like that.
so in YouTube live you can't do that, but in StreamYard you can do that.
Pre-recorded one.
So how you will do that? No, but you have to go live. What I do is, when I do world record events or even whichever event I do, so suppose I am going live, I am speaking right now. Okay, so this is my program, and today we are going to do this and blah blah blah. Some people have wished me good luck. So let us meet all of them. Though my video, when it will appear, I have put that live button on that. People will know, oh, live is coming, but actually that video is recorded.
Recorded, yeah.
Yeah. So
That
I'm
is
sharing
what on the StreamYard.
during my live session, and that is allowed in StreamYard's paid version. In unpaid version, the free version, you don't have that permission of sharing video.
So
And
in that
on
StreamYard, you can watch this YouTube.
no, you cannot watch. You can connect YouTube for live sessions. StreamYard is meant only for live sessions.
Okay, so that watch hours and views will be counted.
Yes, like we used to do conversation, they'll say program, and we knowingly used to stretch it for 45 minutes, 50 minutes, because at that time we used to get lot of viewers on our show. So if 50 viewers have joined our live show and the program is of 50 minutes, so you can imagine those 50 viewers have stayed for 50 minutes. So how many minutes and hours have been added to our channel?
So StreamYard means go to StreamYard first, then YouTube, or go to YouTube and connect with StreamYard. How does it work?
You have to first go to streamyard.com. Okay. You have to connect your YouTube channel, Facebook channel, Facebook account, whichever platform you want to use that live thing. You have to
Okay.
connect all those platforms to your StreamYard.
Okay.
And then when you want to go live, it will allow 2 platforms at a time in free version. So I used to go live on Facebook and YouTube during my free sessions. Okay. And then now, as I have a paid version, because I do world record events and all those things, where I have to use various features of StreamYard. So for that, I have to take paid version where I can put my background also. I can add on, play videos also, pre-recorded videos also during my video. Okay. So all those features can be used only in paid version. So you can go to my channel and you can watch world record events. So in that you will see that how I have used a backdrop behind my video. So main where I am talking, behind that there is one more background saying Spotlight with Abha Alim's world record or Samanmai's world record. The title I have given to the whole screen, and then on that our video is coming. And during that video, during that live session, I'm playing 2 to 3 pre-recorded videos also.
But YouTube will get to know. I mean, when it's posted to YouTube, it will be there like StreamYard. We have used StreamYard. Will that word come out that you are
If you are using a free version, then StreamYard ka jo mark hai, it comes on the right hand side top corner.
Okay.
In my earlier videos, you may see that StreamYard ka watermark.
See that Independence Day video, right? The Independence Day banner was behind and you were talking. So that one you did using,
That one?
which software did you use for doing that one?
See, whichever images you see, all are made on Canva.
Canva, okay.
Okay, but it is that feature is available. You can put that background only when you have that StreamYard's paid version. Otherwise, it doesn't allow you to put a background in free version.
Okay, so that Independence Day and all, you have used StreamYard then.
Conversation, they'll say all my things are paid version. Session of live sessions are all my paid ones.
And the Zoom one, no, with Dr. Ram, it has come exactly in 2 frames.
That is Zoom.
Zoom, it is interview. Na? One is my screen and one is Dr. Ram's screen.
Yeah, okay.
So 2 people are
You
there.
have to spotlight. You have to spotlight the 2 speakers, then it will be parallel.
Yes.
You have to spot, okay.
Any
And you have
number,
to choose
any number
speakers
like a two screen,
in
3 screen,
between.
4 screen. If you put
Yes.
a spotlight or pin,
Yeah. So we have to put it in
You
speaker
have a
view.
speaker's view.
Yeah,
Yes,
speaker
example,
view, right?
yeah,
Yes.
pin or spotlight, it will come to the.
Correct. Speaker view,
For
and then
example,
we have to
Dr. Ram
pin
is
it.
talking on something and I do speaker's view. So only Dr. Ram will be seen on the screen then.
Yeah, in speaker view, and also have to pin it so that if there is any noise,
It also then
it will-
one person will be seen on the screen.
yeah, pin it, yeah.
On the screen.
Spotlight means click on that video, is it?
Okay. So you do this live thing is clear? Now the challenge. Nobody is making video. What is the use of giving challenge? You are not doing anything. Homework has not been done.
I just prepared my script today. So, and it was heavily raining, so I could not prepare in that noise. But after now it's quiet. So
Read the
I'll do.
basic info section channel. Connect all your links. Start making impressive thumbnails for your videos. And next session, it is going to be, there are 5 sessions, Dr. Ram. So in the 5th sessions, I will be teaching how to make thumbnails. In the 5th session, I'll be teaching you how to make thumbnails.
Next session is 4th session.
Yeah,
next
session.
fourth session.
Vijay is there, right? She alone has to confirm. We all have confirmed.
So,
Madam, are you there?
Sessions will be at 2 p.m. No?
Vijay Lakshmi, are you there?
Just now I posted it in the WhatsApp. After the chat,
Okay, I have posted it in this chat itself.
I reframed because we put 2 p.m. is.
WhatsApp.
So 2 p.m. IST. IST 2 p.m. and SGT 4:30.
Vijay Lakshmi, are you there?
Okay, we will connect to it. Except Vijay Lakshmi, all people agree.
Yeah, okay.
Just remind me one more time on that day, Dr. Rama, in the morning, that session is 2 p.m. today, because that will be a birthday day. So I'll be like, in that mood. I am always excited to celebrate my birthday. So that day is going to be busy day.
To be the people should celebrate, the teacher, the colleague.
So that is what I'm telling you.
People, the
Teachers may
students
come
like this.
at that time.
So it should be very amazing things for the person.
Now the thing is that at 10 a.m. I have kept a session for my school children. So 10 to 11 that session will be there, and I'm still not sure whether teachers have planned anything to come at school because it's a Sunday. I doubt whether they will come or not. But yes, it's their principal's first birthday with them. So I assume that they may have their plans. And even if they don't come, but my office staff is there, they must be having some plans and they expect me to come to school. School is just nearby. That is not a big deal. So I have to every time rush, or I will be taking session from my school only on that day then. Let us see.
Really good. So can we end up now? Any other interaction?
I'm done. Any questions? Any questions? Yes, Nalini, any questions?